Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Corinne, and today we're going to be crocheting this adorable patriotic garland. I'll post a list of materials and stitches we'll be using in the description box below, as well as a link to my blog post where I've typed this entire pattern out for you. So let's get started on this fun and simple pattern. To begin, we're going to create a slip knot for our hook. The example I'm going to be making today is going to be blue. So we're going to place this slip knot on our hook and we're going to chain 17 chain stitches. Now that we've chained our 17 stitches, row 1 is going to be a single crochet in each stitch across. So that'll be a total of 16 stitches for row 1. Here we are at the end of row 1. We're going to chain 1 at the end of each row and turn the work around. For row 2, we're going to single crochet decrease. So that's insert the hook through the first stitch, pull through, insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then you're going to pull through all 3 loops on the hook. So that's a single crochet decrease, and then we're going to single crochet in the next 14 stitches, and that'll be a total of 15 stitches for row 2. Here at the end of row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn and move on to row 3. Row 3, we're going to single crochet decrease, and then single crochet in the next 13 stitches for a total of 14 stitches for row 3. Chain 1 and turn. For row 4, we're going to single crochet decrease, and then single crochet in the next 12 stitches for a total of 13 stitches for row 4. For row 5, we're going to single crochet decrease, and then single crochet in the next 11 stitches for a total of 12 stitches for row 5. For row 6, we're going to single crochet decrease, and then single crochet in the next 10 stitches for a total of 11 stitches for row 6. For row 7, we're going to single crochet decrease and single crochet in the next 9 stitches for a total of 10 stitches for row 7. For row 8, we're going to single crochet decrease. And then single crochet in the next 8 stitches for a total of 9 stitches for row 8. For row 9, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 7 stitches for a total of 8 stitches for row 9. For row 10, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 6 stitches for a total of 7 stitches for row 10. For row 11, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 5 stitches for a total of 6 stitches for row 11. For row 12, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 4 stitches for a total of 5 stitches for row 12. For row 13, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches for a total of 4 stitches for row 13. For row 14, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches for a total of 3 stitches for row 14. For row 15, we're going to single crochet decrease and then single crochet in the next stitch for a total of 2 stitches for row 15. For row 16, we're going to single crochet decrease and then chain 1. And next we'll move on to creating a border all the way around the triangle. So we're going to single crochet all the way down this left side from where we left off on our last row. We're just going to start single crocheting down the left side in each row. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Your support allows me to continue creating these free tutorials, so I really appreciate it. So here we are coming up on the end of this first side of our triangle. Once we've done this last stitch in the corner, we're going to chain 1 and then turn the work and start single crocheting down this bottom side of the triangle. Here we are coming up on the other corner of the triangle. Once we've done this last stitch in the corner, we'll chain one more time and turn the work and continue single crocheting down the last side of our triangle. Here we are coming up on the end of our border. Once we get back to that stitch where we started at the bottom, we're going to slip stitch and chain one. This is going to be the end of our triangle bunting base. So here we chain one, and we're going to tie off with a long enough tail just to be able to weave in our ends. To weave in the ends, we'll take our handy dandy tapestry needle and run it through these loose ends. I like to work the yarn onto the back side of our project and then work it through several stitches in one direction and then back through those same stitches in the other direction, and then snip off the excess yarn. So here we go through 4 or 5 stitches one way, turn it around, and we'll skip that one stitch on the end and go back through those same 4 or 5 stitches in the other direction. We'll snip that yarn off and do the same thing with the other end. Moving on to create our stars, we're going to make a magic circle. And we're going to single crochet 10 stitches into the magic circle. Once we've got those 10 stitches in, we'll pull this loose end tight to cinch up the magic circle. And then we're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet inside of the magic circle. And we're going to chain 5 chain stitches, 3, 4, 5, and in the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, we're going to single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to half double crochet. And in that last stitch, we're going to double crochet. And on the base of our magic circle, we're going to skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next. This makes 1 point of our star. So we're going to repeat these steps until we have 5 points on our star. So I'll show you one more time. We're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5. We're going to count down to the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. We're going to single crochet. half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, and then we're going to slip stitch in not this one but the next one on the base of this magic circle. And we're just going to keep repeating that until we have all 5 points. Here I am with the last point, slip stitching into the base. I'm going to chain 1 and tie off with a long enough tail to stitch the star onto our garland. And here is our completed little star. We're going to place it where we would like it, right in the center of our triangle. And take our handy dandy tapestry needle and the long tails and stitch it down onto the triangle. Once we've got the star nice and secure, we will flip it over and tie off on the back side and trim any excess yarn. And here we have our completed garland piece. So now that we've got our red and blue pieces, we will run our garland, or excuse me, run our jute through the back of our garland. I'll link this jute for you. I got it on Amazon. It's nice thin jute that doesn't fray too badly. And I just used the tapestry needle to run it through 2 little strands on the back side of the triangles. So here's through one side, and then I'll pick 1 strand on the other side just so that it'll hang evenly when it's on a wall or your mantle. And here is our finished garland. I just love how this turned out. It's a quick and easy project that works for any patriotic celebration. I hope you enjoyed creating with me today. If you did, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.